Somebody that is fighting for the fundamental human right of his people. You keep him in incarceration for the past 4 years now. Lawyers, what is the meaning of lawyer? Lawyer are trained to defend person. Upon your own defense, you still keep him there. Okay, now you came, another government came. See now, you are not talking about it. And the side of him every day is killing. And you say there will be forwardness. There can never be forwardness. So let's calm down and do the right thing. See, being governor buying cars of billions. They didn't care him what I mean, you survive. And yes, the current one. See, and they will telling you, we are doing well, we are doing well, we are moving the economy. The economy is supposed, and the economy is down. Economy is zero. Mafiality, mafia in the throne. They will finish people. You see, the truth is the truth. See, the truth is bitter, but the truth will set you free. See, what is really happening is happening because somebody came and said it's his turn. Like, look on their own turn. But at the end of the day, you see the kind of situation we are now facing. In the history of Nigeria, we never faced this type of situation. Hardship, hungry, people are dying on the street. What can they say so? You understand? See, when they died in general election, you see what happened? There were a counter-attack between the Igbo and the Yoruba. Particularly, Hausa was not involved. You understand? Because Hausa came and Hausa go. But now when the election came it was done between Obi and Tinubu because Atiku was out of the game. See, at the end of the day, there was a let me say marginalization of the people's rights. Majority of the people's rights was dumped because of the power to be. Okay, now the power to be is in the throne, and the throne is destroyed. The throne is divided. The throne is thrown away. Game of throne. You can't manage the throne. Now hungry now boss the land. You're not crying that they are mocking you. How would they not mock you? Because they must mock you because your brother is there. Your brother, you say your brother will do or do. Your brother will do the best. And now your brother do the worst. And now the hungry is affecting majority of the language of Emilio. That's why you see the division home house. The cry is things fall apart. Things fall apart. See the Nigerian economy is downgrading the whole household. Where the stream and the stream is wiping it out. Where is the Jagaba? Where is the miracle? See, you fail the test. So the truth is the reality. Nigeria never witnessed this type of situation in their life. Where you can't eat 1,000, I can't feed you. Whereas you have a family of 5, 4. And they don't care. They don't even care. Their own is how to divide the money. Every day they divide trillion. And majority are hungry. So only God. Because I don't believe in them, I believe in God. That's why God, those that believe in God, survive on this situation. Because if you say not them, you will die, you never wake. You say, and if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. The government is a foster home. First time in the history of Nigeria, just 1 year, everybody's running helter-skelter, looking for where to live, looking for what to eat. Nigeria, the giant. No farm, no food, no yam, 1 yam, 2 bars, 7,000, 8,000 in the history of Nigeria. Why? Because lions say want to claim the forest and the antelope chase him away. A sitting senator said the president is caged. Can you imagine? So the president is caged in Aso Rock.
Who not caged? But who is caging the president?
The surrounders, they are together. That is the All Progressive Congress, the Renew Hope. Where is the hope? The hope is lost. Where the hope lost, nobody can eat anymore.
So no hope for renewed hope.
Where is the hope? It's a common language. See, when you say renew hope, people will be happy. But people is not happy in this situation.
But should we give Tinubu time to...
Well, see, let me tell you one thing. Somebody else, you want to give somebody time. See, I have already studied one language. Don't believe in them, believe in God. So what is the middle of time? How long? When fuel will be 1,005, now you go give time. Fuel is 600 naira, 800 naira, now 1,000. You are saying time. How long will the time come? How long will the time go? The time has no end. The suffering is continuously. So now they know, but God know past them. God chicken is different from man chicken, because when you look about the situation in Nigeria, the presidency, the Aso Rock mafias, they don't care about me and you. The other day, a senator, president of the Senate, he said, go and protest, we will the jail for a year. You see that language, and nobody talk about it. See, I know and I believe God will take care of Nigeria, because what I've seen, they came to occupy illegally. That's why their illegality is not favoring them. They can't handle it. They are punishing children of the Most High God. And Nigeria majority believe in God, and God is so happy with them. You can imagine, children are crying, everybody is crying every day. You buy 1 naira today, tomorrow is 10 naira. Next tomorrow is 100 naira. Next tomorrow is 500 naira. Okay, where are we going? You say, have patience. Give time. How long? How long? He said, the truth will set you free. But the truth is not in Nigeria. The government, they failed the test.
Okay. Oluwa, just I think last week was alleged that the CBN governor and his 4 deputies, they bought 5 cars for 10 billion. You know, should they be doing that when they know that Nigerians cannot feed themselves?
See, let me tell you one thing. I already told you that those people, they are vampire in power. Vampire in power. They suck on human blood. This is what I'm telling you. They feed on human blood. They feed on our blood. The blood that is supposed to live, they suck it. CBN governor buying cars of billions. They didn't care him what I mean, you survive. And yes, the current one. See, and they will telling you, we are doing well, we are doing well, we are moving the economy. The economy is supposed, and the economy is down. Economy is zero. Mafiality, mafia in the throne. They will finish people. But God will not allow them to finish us, because they can sleep and they don't wake up. Nobody go and tell the keepers, you know. Nobody cook the keepers, you know. Nobody run the keepers, you know. Because now they now bring a law that if you protest, it's a treasonable felony. Why? Okay, see what happened yesterday. DSS. See how they invaded the Labour president. See, Nigeria is not ridiculous in the eyes of nations. Nigeria case is different. Okay, now Emilio Kon, we know him right from the one, because when I know him as a progressive person that I believe that he can make we, the common man, see the light of the day. That right from Obasanjo, there was enemy. We believe. Now it's like they are even better than him 100 times. Let's be frank. They are better than him, because what will happen in the evening begin in the morning. The good that when you eat in the evening, you start doing it now. But now it's like in the evening will be worse than now. So we have to think twice. We have to think twice, because time of Namaton, we have seen the reality that is bad. It's bad. Nigeria is big. It's too big to warrant this hunger every day. Because that's why the hungry can never shout hallelujah for church. You say hallelujah, you're going to look, because he's hungry wickedly.
He's not happy.
He's not happy. Okay, why will Nigeria not be happy every day? Everybody first, Smarty, God will punish you. Smarty the man, Smarty don't be a program there. Smarty don't be vote for that. See, we are not, they divided us. They use hungry to weaken our power. But God is above them always. I speak about God. God is Alpha and the Omega. He knows the truth. And I believe He will control their hearts. He will checkmate their mind to turn around, to do the reality that Nigeria needs. Nigeria doesn't need all those garbage story. We are tired of the story, because the story is wrong. Please, we are begging the corridor of power. Let's stop chasing the shadow and do the right thing for Nigeria to live. Let us live in harmony, in peace. And what we have, God bless Nigeria with all mineral resources. But some few, somebody will buy a car of 1 billion, 500 million, bulletproof. What is the meaning of it? When the common man have not seen a mail a day. Akpabio share trillions to them. Where are we?
Okay, Igbos, sorry, Nnamdi Kanu lawyer, Ejimako, I was going to say that why Nigeria is still like this, why Nigeria is economically dead is because of Nnamdi Kanu is head in DSS, custody illegally. That immediately Nnamdi Kanu comes out, that Nigeria cannot get their freedom economically. Do you agree what to say?
Yes, it's part of what I'm telling you. Illegally never bring positive. Illegality, it bring destruction. It bring backwardness. You understand? He said the truth will set you free. The truth will make you happy and will make your environment to live and will make your environment to be productive. You understand? You keep somebody there how many years without nothing. Somebody that is fighting for the fundamental human right of his people. You keep him in incarceration. For the past 4 years now, lawyers, what is the meaning of lawyer? Lawyer are trained to defend person. Upon your own defense, you still keep him there. Okay, now you came, another government came. See now, you are not talking about it. And the side of him, every day is killing. And you say there will be forwardness. There can never be forwardness. So let's calm down and do the right thing. Because we are Nigeria. We are Nigeria. We are Nigeria. See, the truth will set us free. Somebody can never be in the cell for how many years? Because of, say, you are marginalizing my people. Okay, go to the north. They kill every day. Okay, where are they? Where are the kidnapping? See, one day, everybody will go apart. Because I believe, because this traditional wedding, I don't believe it can stand anymore. It's a traditional wedding. I don't think everybody must go as far away. Traditional wedding.
You are saying division.
The traditional wedding must end. We can't be suffering and the people enjoying. Mocking the work, babu they swallow food. How? We can't continue like this. We can't continue like this. Because we are growing every day and we are having our senses every day and we are maturing every day and we know that we are being under the cage. We have to be released. Let us have freedom as they have freedom. We are together, but it's like the cage just one side. There's no cage up. How will somebody be in prison for how many years? No killing Nnamdi Kanu for them. How? Where we are the house of mafia. Where are they? Where are the killers? The killers that the slaughter almost all Nigeria on daily basis. They are working in the street free. See, the marriage must end. The marriage must end. One day, it can be today, it can be tomorrow. Because every day, negative story. You are sleeping, you are afraid of tomorrow. Somebody will not trek half road before he can be able to enter motor to go to his work. And when he see his work, and voila, sinking every day, he can't sleep. How? Because the government is not truthful enough. It's not truthful enough. Life goes on. God will bless our life. Because with God, all things are possible. Without Him, it's impossible. That's why they have to think. That renewed hope is not reality. Change your heart and let Nigeria see the truth. See, at the end of the tunnel, let us see light. We have been in the tunnel for many years. There must be light. And that light is what we need. We don't need all those negative language anymore. All those suffering and smiling, tribalistic language. We are tired of it. Let them know. We are tired. We are Nigeria. We are not Cote d'Ivoire. We are not Benin Republic. We are Nigeria.
Giant
And
of
we're
Africa.
supposed to live together. And we're supposed to live in peace and in harmony. Look, Lagos, peace. Other place, no peace. And there is no solution there. Why? Because of hatred. Let us abolish that hatred. Let us throw it away. Let us have the mind of God. It's a peaceful, loving Father. Let them know. God bless.
Nnamdi Kanu is talking, speaking from the angle of pain, tears, and history. His brother was incarcerated for 48 months now, sitting somewhere stagnated at DSS facilities. How do you think Nnamdi Kanu will stay quiet, watching? He's criticizing EPA. Anybody could criticize EPA. It's not an abomination to criticize. But to coco in them talking. From the angle of Nnamdi Kanu, it is not easy for someone to lose his brother or to have his brother stagnated in one place, for 48 months now. Nnamdi Kanu is still in one place. And you know that, you should know that that man has kinsmen, he has sisters, he has brothers, he has children, he has a wife. So none of his relatives, among his relative member will be happy over that situation. The incarceration is taking to 5 years now. And they should know that Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Emmanuel Kanu is a human being. Nnamdi Kanu is talking about his brother here. So, but where I am trying to differ from Emmanuel Kanu is that EPA is doing everything humanly possible to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is out. I don't want to understand. That Nnamdi Kanu is out of DSS, confinement. So that's why he's reacting that way. And notwithstanding, we should all know that Simon Ekpa has never been a bad boy. A bad boy could never have secured a scholarship into Finland to read and study. Of course, it was scholarship that took Ekpa from Nigeria to Finland, and he has been a law-abiding citizen of Finland. Adibin Ekpa is a bad boy as instigated or accused of him by Emmanuel Kanu. I don't think Finnish government would have that, kind of belief in him by retaining him till death. He has never been accused of any criminality in Finland. That's why he's still operating there, fighting hard for us to have Biafra. Then again, I'm differing from everybody that is not believing what Emma is saying by, telling you that all the Igbos, it's not all the Igbos that love Simon Ekpa, what he's doing in the Southeast. I love him. My name is Ralph. Mr. Okeke might not love him. He's entitled to his opinion. So Nnamdi Kanu, Emmanuel Kanu's opinion might not sound the same with every other Biafran. There are many of them that are castigating Ekpa because of his doings, all that he's doing in the southeastern Nigeria. Many people are against him. Many people are with him. In Nigeria today, nation, north, south, west, east, many people hate Ekpa, what Ekpa is doing. Many people love Ekpa, what Ekpa is doing. I don't know what I understand. I'm just trying to tell you that it's an opinion thing. People are giving out their own opinion. Emmanuel Kanu is giving out his own opinion. So myself, I'm trying to give out my own opinion. What Ekpa is doing is he is fighting federal government of Nigeria too hard to release Nnamdi Kanu, our brother. I don't know what I understand. While doing so, federal government of Nigeria are not happy with him because he's not going to do it through dialogue. Dialogue has failed. Ohaneze has gone for dialogue. Dialogue has failed. Igbo, they have gone for dialogue. Dialogue has failed. So what I'm trying to say is that when dialogue, roundtable talk has failed at Aso Rock, I think Ekpa could be right. We are Igbos, we are not bastards. When Tinubu came out 2023 to request for presidency, he said it was his turn that Yorubas are not bastards. So Igbos are bastards. So it is Igbos that are bastards. That's why he hijacked an election won by an Igbo man. See, let me tell you, nobody is a bastard here. Igbos are not bastards. They're supposed to have released Nnamdi Kanu. That's why Samurai is intensifying effort to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is out. Igbo is not a bastard nation. We were on this continent before any other tribe. Go and do your research. Yes. We left Egypt since 1305 BC.
1305.
I'm telling you, BC, 1305 BC. We left Egypt. We did not come out with Israelis. Okay? We use our craft. We crossed the Red Sea. Even without craft, from Port Said in Egypt, you can trek. Coming from Israel, exude into Africa continent. Study your geography. So we did not go through the Red Sea. Our God set most of our kinsmen in Egypt free, doing the unexpected, the miraculous on the Red Sea. Red Sea divided into two. They marched on the dry ground. So Pharaoh insisted, march on the dry ground. God closed up the Red Sea. Pharaoh and all his chariots, horsemen, were drowned. They drowned. The Igbo men, we came out of Egypt using our craft from Port Said to side. There's a place we can march from Egypt into Israel. So we exuded Egypt on a ground. We did not follow the Red Sea. I mean, critics, people will say, how possible? How did they do? Did they swim across the Red Sea? No. There are dry lands. There are links. There are path roads. Today, you can see the pogrom, the war escalation, full escalation going on in Egypt, in Israel, sorry, from Gaza, West Bank. There's dry land. It wasn't the sea. See, we are not bastard. We came from a place. We were before anybody on the continent of Africa. We are the black Jews. So Tinubu said they are not bastard. They are not this. So Igbo race is a bastard. See, Tinubu is a cultic image ruling Nigerian people, denying them most of the household amenities, most household goods, most high household essentials. He's a man without human breath. He's buying yachts. He bought yachts. He bought presidential aircraft. Chinese seized it. He bought another one. He's managing my wealth, Biafran wealth, the oil along coastal line of Biafra. Tinubu is managing it as if it is his own. The oil exploration on the Niger Delta region, is it an oil exploration on Ondo, Ekiti, and the Lagos region? Is along Biafran coastal line. And Tinubu is trying to tell the whole world that it's Tinubu Jagaban. Jaga what? Is he alive? That life went there. Now so life supposed to be. Oga Samuel should stop listening to anybody. Samuel is doing what he should be doing as an Igbo man. Agitation for Biafra is it. The people that are constituting security in the southeastern Nigeria is Nigerian government in collaboration with Igbo politicians. They are the one disaliving people in the southeastern Nigeria. They are the one that demised Professor Chike Akunyili, the husband of the former Director General of NAFDAC. It's federal forces. The DSS, the NIA, they have failed Nigerians on securing Nigerian geography